There's our first 11 bags of 70. There's one. All right. All right, my helper had to leave just now, so I'm on my own. But he helped me move all of the concrete bags, all 70, to the backyard. And we even got started on some of the dry pour. This here is 21 bags so far, and this is my screeding bar. Here's some of the leftover paper. So now I'm gonna get to the task of opening up these bags and filling up the form. Wish me luck. Should be our final screeding pass. So we used 55 bags out of the total of 70 bags ordered. There's a few more sitting over there that we're going to take back up front. So 55 bags gets us this nice 10 by 12. And it's nice and uniform because I took the roller to it. It's smoother than it looks on camera. This layer over top starts absorbing the water. I am absolutely exhausted. It's 91 degrees and humid here in North Florida. This was a tough project, moving all these bags of concrete, but we got the dry pour finished. I just sprayed the first layer of water, and so for the next 5 hours I'm going to come out and keep showering it until it's saturated, and then it'll cure for the next 48 hours. I ordered 70 bags. We only ended up using 55, so I have some extra here that hopefully I can take back for a little bit of a refund at Home Depot. Hit that like button, and I'll keep you updated on the rest of the project. Later.